Okay, first year schedule started, no revision?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh. So year onwards, you have to concentrate more on our holy book, NCERT textbook. Okay, na? So you should be thorough each and every sentence and word from each and every corner, and including the diagrams and the summary part. In some topics here and there, some additional information is there in the summary part also. So you must go through the summary part also, because that is also important. Some extra information is given which is not there in our content, but it is given additionally in the summary here and there. So please kindly you must concentrate even on the summary part. So generally we won't concentrate on the summary part. So here onwards you must concentrate on the summary part also. And wherever you required Telugu Academy, I will tell you, particularly for the biological classification and plant kingdom, you should concentrate on the Telugu Academy. What is there in NCERT book, everything is there in Telugu Academy with a little bit in extra elaborate information that will be fetching for you, because our paper setters are asking such type of questions. So that will be easy for you now. And don't postpone the syllabus. Day-wise, you can complete the syllabus. I will send the assignment day-wise. Day-wise assignment I can send you if possible. And see that there should not be any postponement. And your syllabus is Living World and Monera, no? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is everything is memory. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can read by yourself, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just I will discuss few points. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Read
Grams.
grams. Okay, na? These are the living features of the living organisms. You got it up, please?
Yes.
These are the features exhibited by living organisms. What is the trigger code?
Gram.
Growth.
Gram. G for
Growth.
R for
Reproduction.
Reproduction.
A
Metabolism.
for
Asexual reproduction.
I. Ability
Ability.
to sense environment. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, bhai? Please tell me.
Yes,
Ability to sense. It is known as the irritability, no?
Yes, sir.
Or consciousness. Yes or no? Conscious. M for
Metabolism.
S for
Self-consciousness.
Self-conscious.
here I can self-conscious. Okay, na? This is the grams. Out of these 5, these are non-defining features. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
AMS, these 3 are
Defining character.
defining. Okay, na? Okay, na?
Yes.
Sometimes
Yes.
in depending which, they may write cellular organization also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cellular organization. Grams you remember. Okay, na? So
Okay.
this and every sentence just you have to go through. Okay, na? So all living organisms they grow, but the true growth is intrinsic growth, protoplasmic growth that is seen in the living organism. But non-living things also they show growth, but that is extrinsic growth from outside. Sand dunes, mountains, boulders, these are the non-living things. They also show growth, but that is extrinsic growth. So that is the reason why growth is not a defining feature. And if you comes to the reproduction, do all organisms have the ability to reproduce?
No, sir.
No. Okay, Nana. For example, human beings only you take sterile human beings are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Mule,
Worker bees.
worker bees. These all are sterile. They do not reproduce. And reproduction in case of unicellular organisms like bacteria, unicellular algae, protozoans, means protistians examples. So here both growth and reproductions are synonymous to each other. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Synonymous or anonymous?
Synonymous.
So ability to sense environment that is known as a what, Nana? Irritability. And this is very important. You have to go through that. And this is consciousness. And the self-consciousness is seen in
Human.
human beings. Okay, na? So that
Yes.
means we are aware of ourselves, no?
Yes, sir.
So that is seen in the case of human beings. So the sum of total reaction that takes place in a living organism known as
Metabolism.
metabolism. So metabolism, it includes two types, no, anabolism and catabolism.
Yes, sir.
Constructive process known as
Anabolic.
and destructive process known as
Catabolism.
metabolic reactions occurring in our body. We can demonstrate them in a cell-free medium, no, in a test tube, no.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
and
sir.
isolated metabolic reaction which we perform outside the living system in a test tube. So neither living nor non-living, no,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
metabolic reaction which we perform outside the body that is in the test tube. Can you consider as a living reaction?
No.
No, sir.
Can you consider as a non-living reaction?
No, sir.
Neither living nor
Non-living.
non-living. Okay. But the isolated reaction cannot be regarded as a living things, but definitely they are considered as a living reactions, no?
Yes, sir.
These isolated reactions which are performed in the test tube, definitely they are not regarded as a living organisms. Yes or no? Living things. Yes or no?
Yes.
But we can consider as a definitely living reactions, no?
Yes.
The isolated reactions which we performed inside the test tube, in the test tube, cannot be regarded as a living things. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But definitely they are living reaction because they are similar to reaction performed in our body. Correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Okay. These points you concentrate each and every point, Nana. Okay, na? Last paragraph, consciousness paragraph is there. Those two paragraphs you have to concentrate more and more. Okay, na? Properties of tissues are not present in the constituent cells, but they are arise as the results of interaction among the constituent of the cells. These typical statements are there. Those last sentences Please concentrate more. That is more than sufficient. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And the binomial system of classification, as you know that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Binomial nomenclature, who proposed it?
Carlos Linus.
Gallus one, Linnaeus. And in binomial system of nomenclature means naming the plant by using
Taxonomy.
names, by giving two names, Anana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, not by giving two names, two words.
Two words. Yes.
Two names or two words, please.
Two
you tell me.
words.
Two words.
We are having two names, two words,
Two words.
two words. Mangifera
Indica.
Indica.
indica. It is a two names or two words,
Two words.
Words.
two words. And these two words should be in. It should. These are derived from. These two words are
Latin.
Latin, that is English or Latin. No? Yes or no?
Yes.
And first word is noun form, second word is adjective form. Okay, na? The noun form is known as genus, and the adjective form is known as species. And the first word always starts with
Capital letter.
second word always starts with
Small.
Letter.
Padanana.
Small
Small
letter.
When it is manuscript and written, it should be
Underline.
underlined. If it is printed,
Italics.
and scientist name should follow
After the.
After the species name.
in an abbreviated form. No,
Yes.
who first describe the plant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it should not be underlined. Okay, na?
Okay.
And author name should allow to present in Roman. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Are you?
Sir, we can't hear you.
So your video is paused.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Ah, power cut is there. Now it is running on mobile data.
Yes, sir. It's
Hola.
showing bandwidth is low.
Power cut is there, please.
It's okay.
Are you able to see?
It's somewhat blurred, sir.
Blurred.
Voice is
Not-
clear, sir.
Voice is clear. Now you see?
No, sir.
No, sir.
A generator chapter. A door close. Generator. Okay, try to understand. One thing.
So I just want to restart the meeting.
Shadows. Okay. Okay, na? At least, are you able to see? You cannot see anything, huh?
No, sir. Actually, the
That's-
bandwidth problem, not light problem.
Then what to do now?
So once restart the meeting, sir.
Yes, sir. Somewhat it will come.
Okay, we will do.